Hey, how's it going, everybody? So, in today's video, I'm gonna be opening something that came in the mail, and this came in the mail in last month in February, but I just basically didn't have a chance to make a video. Now, there was a certain YouTube channel that was around for 1 year, and basically, that channel name was Unas Honest. Now, of course, for those of you that know that channel, I mean, it was Mark and Ethan's kind of like little project that they did, and it was the premise was, from they were going to be doing a channel for a whole year, and as soon as the end of the year would come in, they would be deleting the channel. Now, it was really good. I really did enjoy the series. From start to finish. I kind of didn't really start it when it first began. I kind of got into it more like kind of like we're around the middle. But it was just so much fun, and I bought some other merch, so that's what I got here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. Okay, so we got the order here. Okay, so first, let's see what we get here. I'll do the small stuff first. Okay, so the first thing we have is, of course, the sticker right here. So you can see it. Sorry, my hand is like really shaking right now. So we have that little sticker, which is pretty cool. They sent it out. Most likely it was probably in all the orders that they sent that sticker out. And I got something for work. Now that I'm like looking at it, it's basically this little lanyard right here. So now that I'm looking at it, it's like, do I really want to wear it? Do I really want to, dirty it up? I'm kind of like, maybe not. I might just kind of like just have it, but who knows? I might use it. So you can see right there, we have, the white Unis Honest. And then, of course, we do have the other side, which would be the black. All right, so that was one. And I only bought two things. So I bought the lanyard, and I also bought the holographic Unis Honest poster. Oh, it's upside down. There you go. So it's the holographic Unis Honest poster right there. I believe the measurements were 13 by 19 right here. So yeah, it looks really nice. Really really nice. I believe it was only they were only selling them for a limited time. So those were the two things that I ordered from them. But I don't want to put this just on the wall. I want to actually put it on a poster, I guess a poster frame. So I went right ahead and bought this poster frame from Walmart.com. So it arrived around the same time that that all the merch came in. So let's go ahead and get this on the poster frame. Alrighty, so I finally got the poster mounted. So there it is. It looks really nice. I like it with the black frame. It fills out really nicely. I still don't know exactly where I'm going to be hanging this. I'll probably have to find a suitable place. But yeah, I'm really happy that I got, of course, the poster as well as the lanyard. So, I'm going to be treasuring this for the foreseeable future, because it was, one hell of a journey that, Mark and Ethan went through the whole channel for 1 year. So many memories. I'm fairly certain, I saw the last stream that they did, and it was really emotional. And it was something nice to kind of like, be able to get some feedback on, like what they were thinking, and, everything that just, the good and the bad things, that came out of Unasanis. But nonetheless, that is the end of this video. I really do hope you enjoy it, and we will catch you on the next one.